The Voice Teams.
Hey! Oh, congratulations.
Hello po.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thank you.
Hi!
Hi po.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Jason JC Vergara po.
So, anong yung biggest issue mo ngayon?
The bullies that are telling me that I'm too fat and no one would like me. Pero...
Where are they? You show me right now.
Wag, baka bugbugin nyo. Pero I don't let them get in my way.
Good boy.
I still sing good.
That's a great attitude to have. So, bullies in school or cyberbullying or
everywhere. Anyone who would look at my face and my body, and I don't know. Pero
Jason, there's only one like you.
yes.
You're an original.
Siyempre.
Diba? Use that bulliness to make yourself stronger. I've been bullied my whole life, and look at me now. I'm still bullied.
I'm still bullied.
Pero the
Bamboo
bullied
bullies me
concert
all the time.
Yeah.
Bakit, sir? Pogi mo naman eh.
Coach, ginanon ka niya. Gantihan mo naman. Ginanon ka niya.
What's that?
This
Finger
one.
heart.
Oh,
He did it to you.
It's just
not
two
me.
fingers.
Di ba sa kanya mo
Just go
ginawa?
like
Sabi
this.
mo, finger heart.
You did it to me?
Oh, gantihan mo.
Oh,
Finger heart.
I'm not gonna do a figure heart. I don't
Finger
do that.
heart.
I don't
It's
do
just-
figure hearts.
It's so rock and roll.
No, I don't. I just say,
Finger.
no, not happening. Not happening. Not happening.
Finger. Here we go. One. There it is!
Thank
You did the impossible!
Ibubuli ko to mamaya. Oh, Casey, are you done, Casey?
Ay,
Go
hindi
ahead.
pa po.
Go ahead, Casey.
Yun talaga kasi yung priority
Yun
ko
ang gusto mo lang
na
talaga.
finger heart ka. Ay, sorry po. Nagkabaliktad pa. Sobrang liwanag mo. Parang pag ikaw yung sobrang umuulan, tas biglang umaraw, ikaw yun. Kaya siguro binubuli ka nila kasi they don't have your shine.
Yes, madilim sila.
Ay. And tandaan mo na lang, the reason why these bullies are pulling you down is because you're above them. Just show them na pag mabuti kang tao, may mga mabuting bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Like, kung ano man ang nangyari sa'yo ngayon. Look at you now. You have the Coach Bamboo.
Camp Kawayan. That's where you're going.
Oo. Pero hindi na nga importante bakit hindi ako nag-turn eh. Kasi I think you have the perfect coach for you.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Cool. Thank you very much. Thank
You
you for
will
saying
beat up
that.
all your bullies.
Tsaka ginanong kanya, hindi niya ginagawa yun. First time yun sa 29 years.
Yes. History.
Sorry, Coach.
Oh, what's
May
coming?
nakarinig po kasi ng kwento nyo. Lalo-lalo kwento ni Jaser.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Hi! Hi!
Now you're in trouble.
Hi, Jason!
Jason, you're in trouble now.
Ang galing-galing mo! Ang galing mo, ang ganda-ganda ng boses mo.
Thank you po.
Oo, at ang kulay-kulay ng damit mo. Oo, how are you? How are you feeling? Are you happy?
Yes po, si Coach Bamboo.
Oo. Di na tayo aarte, no? Umikot sa'yo si Coach Bamboo. Kaya kay Coach Bamboo ka lang makikinig. Huwag ka na makinig kay Casey at kay Sir Martin. Hindi ka nga nila tinalikuran, eh. Hindi,
God.
joke lang. Masaya akong masaya ka. Stay happy at huwag kang papayag na yung happiness na yan at tsaka yung smile mo ay maagaw o mananakaw ng sino man.
Yes.
Pag nanonood kasi ako sa kanila, yung mga bata na nag-audition, kumakanta, nananalo, naiinggit ako, lalo na pagkasama yung mga magulang. Kasi ganyan din ako dati. Nung bata ako, gusto kong sumali sa isang singing contest sa lunch date. Tapos sinasabi ko sa nanay ko lagi, gusto kong sumali dyan, audition tayo, Nay. Tapos sabi ng nanay ko, sige, dadaling kita. Tapos napanood ko na lang na grand finals na. Tapos umiiyak ko, sabi ko, na grand finals na hindi mo ko sinamahan. Kasi di ba maraming rason ng mga magulang ko bakit hindi sila nakakasuporta sa'yo agad sa pangarap mo. Pwedeng wala silang pamasahe, ang dami nilang ginagawa, naglalaba sila. Pero ikaw na nandito ka ngayon, kasama mo yung mga magulang mo, you are so blessed. Diba, yung support ang gusto mong makuha, ibinibigay sa'yo ng mga magulang mo. Be very grateful to your parents. Achieve your dreams for yourself because your dreams and your achievements are their achievements as well.
Right. Amen.
Okay. Be happy. I love your smile.
I love you too.
Oh, we love each other.
Thank you, Vice.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Mas mamaya ako na mag-audition.
Can you do me a favor? Can you just put this on him?
Ay, alam mo ba, nung bata ako, ang dami kong nagawa sa ganito. Nagawa ko tong gown dati.
Go ahead.
Thank you, ako maglalagay sa kanya.
Yeah, just say welcome to Camp Kawain. That's it. Let's go. Let's just do this.
Welcome to Camp Kawain.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Nautusan ka pa,
On
Ate
behalf
Vice.
of Sir Bamboo,
And yourself. Thank you for saying what you said. Let's
welcome
go.
to Camp Kawain.
There you go. What do you have to say? The voice? Come on, Jazer.
Who is this girl? Ano pangalan mo?
Jamaica Gavinio po.
Sino ang idol mo sa pagkanta?
My idol is my Tito Ninong po. Ang ninong ko po is, siya po ang nag-tutor sa akin simula nung bata po ako. Ang ninong ko po is super good singer.
Nandito ba siya?
Nandito po siya.
Because I want to hear this super good singer.
Hello po.
Oh, that's it. You're good. That's good. What a nice voice, speaking voice.
Hi, Sir Martin.
Hello.
Actually, you're my favorite singer since I was... Yes po.
Well, we're going home early then. Okay. Tito Ninong,
Yes po.
when did you know na talaga may boses si Jamaica?
She started singing at the age of 2. One time po, sabi nung daddy niya, turuan ko. So one time po, tinuruan ko siya. Ako po kasi very strict. Nag-aaway po kami. So, pinatrain ko na lang po siya sa iba.
At anong favorite song mo?
Ikaw ang aking pangarap po.
Wow. Can you sing a little?
Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanaisin pa kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka. Ikaw ang pangarap.
Tito Orlan, welcome to Martin.
But I will let the other coaches speak, but that was beautiful.
I have heard this song many times throughout the many seasons on The Voice. No? Your version, ang ganda ng umpisa, ang ganda ng setup mo, and I would like to get to know you, maybe. Figure out where you want to go, what you want to do, anong pang material gusto mo gawin. You are a curiosity to me. Kasi ang dami natin pwede gawin eh. Right?
Jamaica, kung naalala mo, ako yung unang umikot sa'yo. Kasi merong isang moment din sa performance mo na nung ginawa mo siya, I was completely sold. Na 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 araw gabi. Diniretso mo siyang ganyan. And mahirap yun nabuo mo siyang ginawa and still dahan-dahan mo siyang nilabas hanggang sa dulo. And kahit hindi ka huminga in between those two lines na pinagdugtong mo, hindi ka kinapos. Parang sobrang praktisado ka. Yung alam na alam mo yung mga gagawin mo, saan siya most effective, saan siya pinaka-ma-appreciate ng mga makikinig. And alam mo lang din kung hanggang saan lang din yung hinihingi ng kanta. As a coach, excited ako na makatrabaho ka. Kasi sa aming tatlo, ako yung naka-experience talagang mag-singing competition. I've been where you are today.
Yep.
So I will be there with you to be strategic with all the things that we can do because i-remind ulit kita, this is still a competition. We can't just sing kung ano-ano na lang. We have to make sure that every choice is the perfect choice for you because you only get one performance after another and let's make every performance count. So please choose me as your coach.
Jamaica, the decision is yours. All three of us would be blessed to have the kind of voice that you have.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach, gusto ko po maging katulad din niya. Ano po yung narating niya, gusto ko din po marating yung narating niya. Kaya po ang pipiliin kong coach ay si Coach Casey po!
kayo magalit sa akin, Pero, welcome to Martin.
I will give this to the Tito Nino. Welcome to Martin!
Oh my God.
The Lolo version! Okay, let them have their moment.
Sumusuotin.
Which one?
Patong ko na lang po.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica!
Officially, welcome to Team Supreme!
There you go. Hello.
Oh, man!
Okay. Ano pangalan mo?
Gianna po.
Like the story, you started the story strong. Tama. But as the song progressed, I wish you made different choices on how you wanted to do it. The instrument is there. It just needs time lang.
Pag pinanood mo na to sa TV, nakaganyan ako nagsimula akong kumanta. Kasi yung boses mo felt like a warm hug.
Thank you.
So inabangan ko kung paano mo siya i-build. Kasi alam ko na may mga parts tong lalaki. So paano mo ngayon i-connect? So yun lang yung hinanap ko kanina. Kasi ang ganda mo na siyang nilatag. Tapos nung biglang lumaki yung song, hindi mo lang na-figure out kung paano ko siya i-connect.
You have a very strong voice.
Yes.
Ang kailangan, as you'll see, as you progress as a singer, as you get older as a woman, your voice is going to learn to be more controlled, and you'll be able to use it as a weapon, in a good way, and you're going to move people. Thank you, Gianna.
This is my song last year.
Hi!
Hello po.
Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Meryl Estrella po.
Taga saan kayo?
I'm from Cebu City po.
Anong ginagawa mo para tumulong sa pamilya?
Ginagawa ko po, ako po ay nagtitinda sa aming karinderya po. And also, sa pagsasali po ng mga competitions po sa amin.
Obviously.
Pang ilang competition mo na to ngayon?
Kasi po, simula nung 4 years old pa po ako nagsasali ng mga competitions.
Wow.
4 years old.
Apo.
What?
Hi, Mernil.
Hello po.
Congratulations. May dalawang coach umikot para sa'yo. Bakit hindi ako umikot? Kasi yung song na yan, ginamit namin sa finals ni Shane last year.
Isang sirena, kahit anong gawin nila, bandera ko'y di tutumba.
Diyan kami nanalo no? Sa point of comparison And I'm loyal to her Unless you did something very different na sa ginawa niya, then maybe, di ba? But it was a great audition.
Thank you po.
Ay, adlaw ka ni mo, Tay.
May adlaw po.
Tumitingin siya sa'yo, kinakabahan ako. Parang decided na siya.
No! Oh, don't think that way, but it's cool.
Nung umikot ako, nakita ko talaga ikaw na nanggigil sa performance mo. Na ramdam ko talaga na sobrang hungry ka to go to the next round and to sing more songs and to represent your family and do this for your family. Sobrang worth it na nauna akong umikot kasi na-enjoy ko pa kahit pa paano yung performance niya na yun. If you wanna do the rap verses nung kanta na to, kailangan siyang umabot sa same level ng singing mo. Kasi sobrang galing mong kumanta, yung rap verses mo medyo nandito pa ngayon. So kailangan natin siyang iangat kung yun yung gusto mong gawin. But moving forward, when you choose me as your coach, we will work on that. We will find the itong mga inggit-inggit talaga kayo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, gamitin nyo ding when, ganyan. When you choose me as your coach, we will find those songs na mas bagay sa'yo, mas mapapakita mo yung strength mo muna as a vocalist. Kasi mas singer ka naman talaga, di ba, than yung nagra-rap, di ba? So yun, I hope you choose me and maraming salamat for a very good performance.
Coach Martin, go for it! When? Say when, Coach.
When you become a Martin team player, yung pwesto mo sa team ko, for sure, lahat yung mga teammates mo, they will all look up to your voice kasi you're miles apart sa all the singers we've heard so far. For me, ang lakas ang boses mo, all in the right places. Tama ka sa mga rapping. You know where I'm good at rapping? Christmas. Rapping gifts. So I have absolutely no talent in the rapping department. But you can help me. We can help each other. We will make beautiful music together. So, the decision is hers, yes? But I would love to have you on Martin.
Pipiliin ko po tong coach na to Kasi alam ko po na matutulungan niyo po ako dito at magabayan din po dito sa The Voice Teens. Ang pipiliin ko pong coach
I'm sorry.
ay si Coach Martin po.
I didn't expect that. I'm so sorry.
He's such a good winner.
Felt it!
He's such a good winner. Ayun, no?
Tuwa siya.
Murnil
Say Mur-
is on Mur team. Murnil!
It's okay.
There we go. Hello.
Good job. Very nice.
All right.
Ay, anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Dwayne Angelo Tablate.
Hinihingi kong, hindi na nga yung linis pero ang hinihingi ko, mas more, humihingi siya na, diba? Parang there were times na I felt like you were too careful. So parang kaya lang hindi ako talagang totally nakakonect dun sa performance. Parang ganon.
May disconnect talaga eh. Na yung atake mo, yung vocal performance mo, your quality of your voice sa song and sa arrangement. Maybe if you attacked it like a ballad, maybe binagala mo yung kanta, maybe if you did something like that, di ba? Then maybe that would have worked.
You're very good. We just think, we feel maybe the song wasn't right for you and that there were bigger and better things meant for you. Okay, Dwayne? All right?
Yeah.
You're a winner, buddy.
Dwayne, tanong ko, saan mo pa ba nagagamit yung iyong pagkanta?
Nagagamit ko po yung pagkanta ko para rin po makatulong sa family. Yung mga iba pong pageants, sumasali rin po ako. Kaya naman, kung okay lang po, Coach Casey, pwede ka po ba naming maging host?
Yeah!
Wow.
Dami, oh! I would chill right
Welcome
here.
to Mr. The Voice 2024.
What?
Hallelujah!
Ayan.
Dami!
Pwede rin po ba nga ating male coaches?
Oh,
Coach
no.
Bamboo, Coach
I
Martin.
told you.
Coach Bamboo, Coach Martin, Bamboo,
I was
Bamboo,
already saying
Bamboo.
goodbye. Just for the record,
Dwayne, okay na tayo eh.
I was letting him go already, all right?
Paano ko?
Ay, parang parang bitin. Parang
And,
kailangan natin ng apat. Robbie
Mr.
Domingo.
Mr. Camp Kawayan.
Coach Martin, eto po. Ayan.
Take it.
And ganito po yung gagawin natin.
Okay. Ikaw na masumuti to, samahan mo na ako doon.
Dwayne muna. Una si
Yung
Dwayne.
isa pong contestant gala.
Okay.
Try to get him to do it.
Mr. Camp Kawayan.
Contestant number 4, balik na po.
What do you want?
Okay.
Okay, introduce ko na kayo.
Apa.
Guys, welcome to Mr.
One for
The
the
Voice
team, one for the
2024.
Okay.
This is their introduction.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dwayne Angelo Tablate, 17 years of age. Niniwala ako sa kasabihang, aanhin mo pa ang sexy body kung mukha mo lang naman ang nakakita sa ID.
Ay, gagawin ka. Ano ba to?
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robbie Domingo, age 23 years old, na naniniwala sa kasabihang, everyday magwalis para happy si Mrs.
Umabot po siya sa maximum age requirement
Oy, hindi
sa
kailangan ng
Mr.
age,
The Voice 2024.
Hi, ako po si Martin Rivera, aged. Believe in the saying, what comes around, goes around. So don't come around.
Ladies and gentlemen, Coach Bamboo!
All right. Okay. Okay. Hello, hello. Tong 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 pakitong kitong
Ay, hindi ba?
alimango
Portion agad
sa dagat, malaki at masarap, mahirap hulihin sapagkat
Nakangagat!
Thank you. All right. All right.
My name is Benedict Paulo Vinluan po.
Benedict, pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan tungkol sa experience mo sa pagkanta?
Dahil sa pagkanta po, na-experience ko po makakapunta dito sa The Voice. And nakakakanta rin po ako sa mga iba't ibang events po like wedding, debut, fiesta, and more on po sa serenade po sa pageant.
Kumikita ka na.
Yes po.
Through your singing.
Yeah, there we go, dude. Congratulations. All right. May laban. Okay.
Thank you po.
Di ako umikot, Benedict, kasi I was just looking for parang a sweeter delivery to the song lang eh. Yun lang naman. Right? And you have two good coaches that turn for you, so let the battle begin.
Yeah.
From ganito, nung nag-start ka na kumanta, bigla akong nakaganyan na. Kasi alam ko na naiikot ako. Naghintay lang ako kung ano pang mga levels ang ibibigay mo sa amin. Yung ano ba yung mga kaya mo pang gawin. Kasi marunong ka na eh, magaling ka na. Yung boses mo, I could already hear it nang nag-record ka na ng kanta. It almost felt like it was your song. Hindi ko narinig na parang ginagaya mo si Zach. I heard you. So that's super special. Kasi most of the time, may tendency talaga yung ibang singers naggayahin kung ano yung naririnig nila. Pero ikaw, you made sure to sing all the important elements of the song, but at the same time, make sure na ipakilala yung sarili mo as an artist. So sobra kong na-appreciate yun. And I hope you choose me as your coach and allow me to help you navigate this journey with you.
Benedict, tama si Coach Casey. Coach Casey actually really has more of the Zach Tabudlo sound in her. But I'm sure sa mga serenade nyo, mas maraming Martin Rivera song siguro, no?
Benedict,
I'm just guessing.
Pag kumakanta ka ng ano, mga serenade, ano kinakanta mo?
Mga mostly, meron din po kay Sir Martin.
Ano mga kinakanta mo?
Meron din. Siguro sa listahan, anditin dito. So medyo dulo.
Anong song, Benedict?
Like, The Promise po.
Yan. Something I've broken many times. Yes. Not the record, The Promise. Benedict, yung boses mo, yan ang hinahanap ko. Hinahanap na marami. Yung highs are highs and your tabudlos are tabudlo. Yung transition from full voice pagpuntang falsetto, doon ako nahihirapan. When I was your age, no problem. But that transition is very hard to do and it's very hard to sell. Paminsan baka kala ng tao, hindi aabot. So napupunta siya sa falsetto. But you do it so naturally. I can't wait to hear you in a concert situation or in your own show. I think sa lahat ng mga shows mo in the future, whether you go all the way here on The Voice Teens or not, I think every chair is gonna turn. For me, So you have to make your choice.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach, dahil makakatulong po siya sa akin.
Ako, pag may tulong talaga.
Mag-boost yung personality ko po and yung talent ko. Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si...
I can feel it!
Here we go again.
Did you get the right size?
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si... Coach Martin po.
Thank you! Benedict! Right choice. For you, my friend.
Thank you po.
Benedict is the new addition. The new version. For the highs and the blows. On the Mar team, Benedict!